DOYR demonstrates substantial volume despite a low price. Solo and A and B represent mid-range options, while Franklin shows minimal activity. Further analysis should focus on market capitalization, liquidity, and project fundamentals to assess potential investment opportunities. Take profits could be set at 5%, 10%, and 15% based on individual risk tolerance. Most mentioned ticker on X is QUQ. Chart increasing with yen price action. QUQ currently trades at 0.00301, exhibiting minor 1H and 24H declines of -0, 21% and -0, 13% respectively. Droplet volume and MARKETCAP. Trading volume reaches $179.38 million, supporting a market capitalization of $3.01 million. This indicates moderate liquidity. Hourglass not done unlock schedule. No upcoming token unlocks are currently scheduled for QUQ, potentially reducing immediate sell pressure. Chart increasing PNUT performance. PNUT saw a significant ranking increase, jumping 14 spots, suggesting rising community interest. Chart decreasing price and volatility. Despite the ranking boost, PNUT's price is 0.088 with a substantial 24H decline of -7.94%. Volume is at $17.54 million. Money bag market capitalization. PNUT boasts a $88.03 million market cap, considerably larger than QUQ, indicating greater investor confidence. Warning risk assessment. The 24H price drop in PNUT warrants caution despite the increased social media attention. Monitor volume closely. White considerations. The data highlights a disparity between social media buzz and price performance for PNUT. While QUQ exhibits stability, it lacks significant volume. A potential take profit for PNUT could be set at 10 cents, contingent on volume recovery. Further analysis of on-chain data is recommended. Chart increasing with yen fear index trend. The fear index consistently registered within the fear zone throughout the observed week, fluctuating between 22 and 27 points. Warning volatility assessment. The relatively narrow range of the fear index spanning 5 points suggests contained, though consistently negative market sentiment with limited volatility. Chart decreasing sentiment decline. Initial sentiment on 3/12 at 22 gradually increased to 27 on 4/12, before declining again to 25 on 5/12, then stabilized around 24/25 for the remainder of the week. indicating a persistent negative outlook. Stopwatch temporal analysis. The data reveals a short-lived attempt at sentiment improvement around 412, quickly reversing and settling into a sustained fear-driven pattern over the last 5 days. Chains-on-chain implications. Sustained fear typically correlates with increased selling pressure and decreased accumulation, potentially signaling a bearish trend on-chain. Average fear level. The average fear index reading for the week is approximately 24.6, reinforcing the prevalence of negative market sentiment. Direct hit trading strategy. Given the consistent fear, a cautious approach is warranted, prioritizing capital preservation and potentially exploring short selling opportunities or defensive positions. Money bag risk management. Implement strict stop-loss orders and reduce position sizes to mitigate potential downside risk given the prevailing negative sentiment. Take profit levels. Considering the consistent fear, conservative take-profit targets are advised. A 3–5% gain may be realistic in the short term. Additional take-profit levels could be set at 7% and 10% if a short-term bullish reversal occurs but require vigilant monitoring. White considerations. The provided data focuses solely on the fear index, offering a limited view of overall market dynamics. Additional metrics volume, price action, on-chain activity are crucial for a comprehensive analysis. The consistent fear reading suggests a potential buying opportunity for contrarian investors, but requires further validation with broader market indicators. Money bag total value locked, TVL. TVL represents the total value of crypto assets deposited in a protocol or DeFi application. A high TVL indicates strong network adoption and liquidity. Monitoring TVL trends is vital for assessing project health and potential growth. Chart increasing daily active users, DAU. DAU signifies the number of unique addresses interacting with a blockchain project daily. Increasing DAU demonstrates growing user engagement and network activity. Analyzing DAU alongside other metrics provides a holistic view of project performance. Droplet liquidity pool size. Liquidity pool size reflects the total value of assets locked within decentralized exchange DEX pools. Larger pools enhance trading efficiency and reduce slippage. Monitoring liquidity levels is crucial for identifying potential vulnerabilities and optimizing trading strategies. Chains on-chain transaction count. On-chain transaction count measures the number of transactions recorded on a blockchain network. Higher transaction counts indicate increased network usage and activity. Analyzing transaction patterns can reveal insights into user behavior and network congestion. Peak total value locked. Peak TVL represents the highest TVL achieved by a project. Comparing current TVL to peak TVL provides a benchmark for assessing project recovery and potential. Tracking peak TVL helps identify projects with strong historical performance. Average transaction value. Average transaction value indicates the average amount of crypto transferred per transaction. Higher average transaction values suggest increased capital flows and potential investment activity. Monitoring average transaction value can help identify whale activity and market trends. Hourglass not done block time. Block time measures the average time required to create a new block on a blockchain. Faster block times enhance transaction throughput and network responsiveness. Optimizing block time is crucial for improving network scalability and user experience. Token supply. Token supply refers to the total number of tokens in circulation. Understanding tokenomics is essential for assessing project sustainability and potential value appreciation. Monitoring token supply alongside other metrics provides a comprehensive view of project fundamentals. Warning contract INTRACTORS. Contract interactors represent the number of unique addresses interacting with a specific smart contract. A high number of interactors indicates strong contract usage and potential network effects. Tracking contract interactors can help identify popular applications and emerging trends. White considerations. The provided metrics offer a snapshot of project activity and health. Chart increasing with yen boost SCORES. CALVIN exhibits a boost score of 3040, indicating moderate potential within the boosted project cohort. Chain analysis. Franklin on BSC and another Solana token share a lower boost score of 1020 and 1010 respectively, suggesting lower immediate upside compared to others. Rocket Performance Benchmark achieves a perfect 3030 boost score, signaling strong performance and potential. First place Metal MITRADEX. MITX stands out with a maximum 100-100 boost score, clearly outperforming all other listed tokens and representing a prime opportunity. Comparative analysis. The range of boost scores 10-10 to 100-100 highlights significant differentiation among these boosted projects, requiring careful evaluation. Money bag risk assessment. Lower boost scores 10-20, 10-10 may indicate higher risk, while MITX's score suggests a comparatively lower risk profile. Stopwatch time sensitivity. The boost scores represent a snapshot in time. Continuous monitoring is crucial to assess evolving project performance. White considerations. The data reveals a clear hierarchy among the boosted tokens, with MITX demonstrating the most promising profile based on its boost score. Further due diligence is advised before making any investment decisions. Additional take profits could be set at plus 20%, plus 40%, and plus 60% based on initial entry points, contingent on market conditions and risk tolerance. A weighted portfolio allocation strategy could be implemented, favoring MITX while allocating smaller positions to and CALVIN, potentially diversifying risk and maximizing returns. Chain's ONCHAIN data analysis. Reactivating aging Bitcoin wallets signify a potential shift in supply dynamics, indicating dormant holdings are entering circulation. Chart increasing supply dynamics. The reactivation of long-held Bitcoin wallets suggests increased selling pressure or redistribution, altering the balance between supply and demand. Whale activity. Whale movements or large transaction volumes from significant holders often precede substantial price fluctuations, warranting close monitoring. Water wave liquidity impact. Increased on-chain activity from previously dormant wallets introduces additional liquidity into the market, potentially impacting trading volumes. Tornado volatility potential. The awakening of dormant Bitcoin giants introduces uncertainty, potentially escalating market volatility as large holders execute trades. Network activity. Rising on-chain data, specifically from aging wallets, signals increased network utilization and participation, reflecting renewed interest. Money bag revenue opportunities. Whales Ray entering the market could signal confidence, potentially driving up demand and revenue for Bitcoin and related services. Direct hit strategy adjustments. Traders should reassess risk parameters and adjust strategies to accommodate potential shifts in supply and demand driven by whale activity. Warning risk assessment. The reactivation of dormant wallets introduces a new layer of risk, requiring traders to implement robust risk management protocols. Stopwatch time analysis. Monitoring the timing and volume of transactions from reactivated wallets is crucial for identifying potential market trends and opportunities. White considerations. The provided data highlights a significant shift in Bitcoin's on-chain activity, characterized by the reactivation of long-dormant wallets. This event warrants careful consideration by traders and investors. Based on the data, a conservative take-profit level could be set at a 5% increase from the current market price, while a more aggressive strategy might target 10–15%, contingent upon continued positive momentum. Calculating the average age of these reactivated wallets could provide insights into the long-term holding patterns and potential selling pressure. Furthermore, monitoring transaction sizes and destination addresses could reveal whether these whales are redistributing their holdings or simply consolidating them. Additional calculations could involve analyzing the historical correlation between whale activity and price movements to refine trading strategies. Money bag revenue growth. Revenue increased by 15% this quarter, driven by increased adoption of Ticker's staking program and DeFi integrations. Chains on-chain activity. On-chain transaction volume surged to 2.3 million, indicating heightened network usage and user engagement with Ticker. Droplet liquidity. POOLS. Liquidity across decentralized exchanges, DEXs, totaled $85 million, showcasing robust market support for Ticker trading pairs. Rocket performance gains. Ticker achieved a 30% price increase over the last month, outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum during the same period. Demand surge. Demand for Ticker NFTs increased by 45%, fueled by exclusive utility and community engagement initiatives. Security. AUDITS. Recent security audits by CertiK and QuantStamp confirmed the robustness of Ticker's smart contracts, minimizing potential vulnerabilities. Handshake partnerships established. Strategic partnerships with Chainlink and Polygon expanded Ticker's interoperability and access to broader ecosystems. Robot face AI integration. Implementation of AI-powered trading bots improved market-making efficiency and reduced slippage for Ticker transactions. Bar chart data analytics. Real-time data analytics dashboards provide insights into user behavior, network performance, and market trends related to ticker. Stopwatch time to finality. Block finality on the ticker network averages 2.5 seconds, ensuring fast and reliable transaction confirmations. Warning risk mitigation. Implementation of a multi-signature wallet and cold storage protocols reduce the risk of unauthorized access to ticker funds. High voltage energy efficiency. Ticker's proof of stake consensus mechanism consumes 99.9% less energy than proof of work systems. White heavy checkmark quality assurance. Rigorous testing and quality assurance processes ensure the stability and reliability of Ticker's core infrastructure. Chart decreasing churn rate. User churn rate decreased by 10% due to improved onboarding processes and enhanced customer support. Direct hit strategy adjustments. Strategic adjustments to marketing campaigns increased brand awareness and user acquisition for Ticker. Currency exchange currency PAIRS. Ticker is now available on 15 major cryptocurrency exchanges, expanding accessibility for global traders. White considerations. The data indicates a positive trend for Ticker, showcasing strong growth in revenue, on-chain activity, and market performance. Based on the 30% monthly gain, a conservative take-profit target could be set at 35–40% for short-term traders, while long-term investors may consider holding for a 100–150% gain. Most mentioned ticker on X is AEVO. Chart increasing with yen price action. AEVO currently trades at 0.0468, experiencing a 1-hour decline of 4.04% and a 24-hour increase of 1.35%. Droplet volume analysis. AEVO's 24-hour volume reached $52.52 million, indicating significant trading activity. Classical market capitalization. AEVO's market cap stands at $42.48 million, defining its relative size within the crypto market. Hourglass not done unlock schedule. No upcoming token unlocks are currently scheduled for AEVO, potentially impacting future supply dynamics. Chart increasing H price trends. H demonstrates a positive 1-hour performance, up 4.26%, but a 24-hour decrease of 4.51%, signaling short-term volatility. Water wave H volume. H recorded a 24-hour volume of $12.51 million, reflecting moderate trading interest. HMARKETCAP. H's market capitalization is $96.09 million, positioning it as a mid-cap cryptocurrency. Stopwatch H short-term momentum. H's 7-spot jump suggests increasing social attention and potential for short-term price movements. White considerations. The data reveals H is experiencing increased social media traction, while AEVO displays more established trading volume. Further analysis of on-chain metrics and project fundamentals is crucial for informed investment decisions. Potential take-profit levels for AEVO could be set at 0.052, $11.05% gain, and 6 cents, $28.06% gain. For H, consider 0.058, $10.03% gain, and 0.065, $23.02% gain.